See here. Now, next topic is your aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acid. Aldehydes, ketones and the carboxylic acid. See, aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acids and carboxylic acids. तो देखो यहाँ पर, so you know the difference between the aldehydes, ketone and the carboxylic acid. So basically it is R C double bond H. Ketones is basically R C double bond O R dash, whereas the carboxylic acid is basically R C double bond OH. This is aldehyde, this is ketone and this is carboxylic acid. Now see the IUPAC name for this one. Suppose you have CH3, CH2, CHO. This will be propan. Suppose you have CH3, C double bond O CH3. This will be propan 2,1. And suppose you have CH3, C double bond OH. That will be your ethanoic. That will be your ethanoic acid. So it ends with the L, this ends with the on, and this ends with the oic acid. This is the IUPAC name for aldehyde, ketones and the carboxylic acid. Aldehyde, ketones and the carboxylic acid. Now the preparation of the aldehydes. How to do the preparation of the aldehyde? See here, preparation of aldehyde, preparation of the aldehydes. As I discussed in the last class that if I are using the mild oxidizing agent, primary alcohol will be oxidized to the aldehyde one. So if you have mild oxidizing agent, for example RCH2OH is a 1 degree alcohol and you are using the PCC, so it will convert into kya? RC double bond HO. This primary alcohol will be oxidized to the aldehyde. Got it? This primary alcohol will be oxidized to the this one. Or you can use the PDC also, or else you can use the PDC also. Pyridinium chlorochromate, this is pyridinium dichlorochromate will be there. Second one you see. Now coming to the ozenolysis, you know two kinds of ozenolysis are there. One is your oxidative ozenolysis, one is your reductive ozenolysis. Suppose I am talking about the reductive ozenolysis. Suppose this was an alkene one. So if I have added the O3 one, right? If I have added the O3 and added the zinc one, O3 and Zn means the kya? Reductive ozenolysis. This O3 Zn means that reductive, this means the reductive ozenolysis one. Ozenolysis. Lysis means breaking one, right? Lysis means that the breaking one. So suppose if you are using this O3 and the Zn1, so what will happen? This pi bond will break one. This pi bond will break. Okay. And to this one double bond O will be attached and to this one double bond O will be attached. So the product will be, RC double bond H, okay, plus you will have formaldehyde one, plus you have the formaldehyde one. This is the case if you are using the kya? O3 and the Zn1. This is the case of reductive ozenolysis. Now coming to the oxidative ozenolysis. So what is oxidative ozenolysis? In case of oxidative ozenolysis, we have to use O3 or the hydrogen peroxide. Now see here, this is the aldehyde one, right? And this is also our kya? Aldehyde one. So this will be further oxidized to form, first it will form this one, first it will form obviously that one, aldehyde and aldehyde. Again that will be oxidized to form the kya? Carboxylic acids. Again that will be oxidized to form the carboxylic acid one. So basically this O3H2O2 is a strong oxidizing, act as a strong oxidizing agent one. If it is aldehyde, that will further form to the carboxylic one. But ज़्यादातर important क्या रहता है आपका, this one, reductive ozonolysis one. And this question will be linked through the aldol reaction and the Cannizzaro reaction. Aldol, this will be linked through the aldol and the Cannizzaro one. So see here, the next you see, for example, if you are using the Rosenman reduction, right? What is the Rosenman reduction? You know, see, CH3, C double bond O, Cl, okay. Now you are using the क्या? H2 palladium BaSO4, H2 palladium BaSO4. It will be converted to the क्या? Benzyl dihyde. This reaction is very important. This will convert to the क्या? Benzyl dihyde one. Very very important reaction. This one. बहुत बार पूछेगा. Clear? RCOCl will be converted to क्या? RCHO1. This is known as the Rosenman reduction one. Rosenman. This is the Rosenman reduction. Rosenman's reduction. Now you also know about the Stephen's reduction, right? What is the Stephen's reduction? Suppose you have which compound? You have the RCN compound. You have CN compound. You are adding the SnHCl, and the second step is your hydrolysis. Okay. Second step is your hydrolysis. So it will form the क्या? Benzyl dihyde one. So basically this will be converted to the benzyl dihyde. CN will be converted to the क्या? Benzyl. This is known as the Stephen's. This is known as the Stephen's reduction. Stephen's reduction. Got it? Stephen's reduction. Got it? ये तो समझ में आ गया. What is important? These two reactions are important, and the ozonolysis is very very important one. Ozonolysis one, particularly the reductive ozonolysis is very very important. Now see here. Now coming to the aldol reaction. Aldol and Cannizzaro is the most important in aldehyde and the ketones one. So first you see the aldol reaction, right? Aldol reaction. Aldol reaction and the aldol condensation. Aldol condensation. So what we have to use here? These aldehydes and ketones must contain the alpha hydrogen. These aldehydes and ketones must contain the alpha hydrogen. Alpha hydrogen, it must contain the alpha hydrogen. What you have to use here? You have to use dilute OH minus. You have to use here dilute OH minus. So any base can be used. Either you can use the sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, barium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide. These bases can be used here. So for example, see, suppose you have CH3 C double bond O and the CH3 one, right? Or let's suppose it is the acetaldehyde one. Obviously this has alpha hydrogen. This has basically alpha hydrogen. Now you have the base. So first step will be क्या? First step will be, it will form the CH2 negative and the क्या? C double bond H. This is the basically first step, acid base reaction step. Again you are using the 2 moles of aldehyde one. Now this will be acting as a nucleophile and it will attack at this site. Got it? तो क्या आ जाएगा तुम्हारा? तो it will form C double bond H and you will have CH2 C O minus H and the CH3. After acidification, it will form the क्या? HC double bond CH2 C OH H and the CH3. OH and the CH3. How many? एक हाइड्रोजन एक कार्बन जा रहा है. 1 2 3 4. ठीक है. Now see, this is known as the क्या? Aldol product. This is known as the aldol product. Now what is aldol condensation? This is up to the aldol product. Aldol product. Now what is the aldol condensation product? aldol condensation product means you have the removal of the water. Once the water is getting removed, you will have the aldol condensation. So what happens basically here, that this OH and the hydrogen of this one will be eliminated, minus H2O, this will be minus H2O, and the product form here will be, H, C double bond O, CH double bond C and the CH3 and the H. So this is known as the aldol condensation product. This is aldol condensation product. So aldol condensation product from the alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compound, carbonyl compounds. This is the aldol condensation product. Got it? Very, very important reaction. This one, aldol, can only be done by through the having the alpha hydrogen one. Does benzaldehyde will give the aldol reaction? Will benzaldehyde will give the aldol reaction? Benzaldehyde one. Will benzaldehyde give the aldol reaction? It does not have the alpha hydrogen. How it will give the? See here, if you draw the structure of the benzaldehyde, right? So see here, this is structure of the benzaldehyde one, right? Now if you look at the alpha position, there is no alpha hydrogen. Since there is no alpha hydrogen, therefore no aldol reaction, no aldol. Got it? You must have the alpha hydrogen. बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन इसी के बेसिस पे रहेगा. Whether this will can occur aldol or the Cannizzaro. Now coming to the next one, that is the Cannizzaro reaction, right? The heat is needed for the aldol condensation product. If the heat is not mentioned, you have to draw up to the aldol product. If the heat is mentioned, draw the aldol condensation product. Okay? Now, Cannizzaro reaction. Now, Cannizzaro reaction. See here. What is Cannizzaro reaction? Cannizzaro reaction. What is basically the Cannizzaro reaction? See, this is given by the carbonyl compounds having no alpha hydrogen. That is very important. Having no alpha hydrogen. There must not be any alpha hydrogen. What kind of base we have to use? We have to use the conc OH minus, concentrated OH minus, concentrated sodium hydroxide, concentrated potassium hydroxide. That basis will be used to carry out the Cannizzaro reaction. Now see it. Suppose you have the benzaldehyde one, right? Suppose you have the benzaldehyde one. So what is the first step? The first step will be the OH minus. The OH minus will attack. The OH minus will attack at this position, right? Since OH minus will attack at this position, so it will form. CO minus HOH1. Now you have OH and the H1. Now you have another molecule of benzaldehyde as well. Another molecule of benzaldehyde. Then see what will happen. This O minus will come and this hydride will attack here. So this step is basically or kya? This step is basically H minus. After this one, this is H minus shift, hydride shift, and this step is known as the kya? Rate determining step. This is known as the rate determining step. ये बहुत important. First is the addition of the nucleophile. Second is the elimination of the kya? H minus one. This is the rate determining step 1. So it will form what? So it will form the carboxylic acid plus it will form the क्या? CO minus H and the H1. So carboxylic acid and the alkoxide ion. Now what will happen? This one is basically acidic one. So this H plus will go to this O minus to form what? So this will form the sodium salt, the salt of carboxylic acid plus you will have CH2OH1. So you have to form the salt of carboxylic acid plus you can form here that alcohol plus alcohol. So what is important here? So in Cannizzaro reaction, salt of carboxylic acid is formed and the alcohol will form. It is a redox reaction. We remember this is a redox reaction because one carbon is getting oxidized and another carbon is getting reduced. Clear? ये ध्यान रखना. This is basically और क्या? Redox reaction one. Now, अब देखो. See here. ये दोनों ध्यान से रखना. ये पूछेगा. दो reactions. ध्यान से पढ़ेगा reaction को. डन हो गया. अब देखो. Now see the reactions of the aldehydes, right? Reactions of aldehydes. Simple reaction without the name one. You know that RC double bond H है and you are adding the HCN. Okay, in the presence of KCN, so it will form the क्या cyanohydrin reaction, right? It is basically a cyanohydrin reaction. तो क्या बनता है तुम्हारा? It is H plus and the Cn minus, right? तो Cn minus will attack at this position. It is an addition reaction to form क्या? RCO minus. You will have the Cn and you have the क्या H1. Again H plus will come and it will form the क्या RCOH, Cn and the क्या H1. This is the cyanohydrin. This product is basically known as the cyanohydrin product. Got it? Cyanohydrin product. Now और एक देखो. If you have R C double bond R dash, clear? R dash can be equals to R or H, and you are attaching with the NH2Z1, तो क्या होगा? So it will take the water out to form the क्या? To form RC double bond R dash double bond N Z and the this one. Write it down. ये तुम्हारा बन जाएगा R double bond R dash. So you can have the 2,4-DNP test, 2,4-dinitrophenyl hydrogen. These are mainly given by the क्या carbonyl compound. These are basically given by the क्या carbonyl compounds. Got it? Okay. Now does the benzaldehyde will give the 2,4-DNP test? देगा. इसी को हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं? Brady's reagent भी बोलते हैं, right? This 2,4-DNP is also known as the Brady's reagent. Got it? This is also known as the Bosch's reagent. Brady's reagent, 2,4-DNP and the Bosch's reagent. Okay? Now see here, and this is the test exclusively for the क्या carbonyl compounds. Whether it is the aldehyde or the ketone one, that will give by the क्या 2,4 DNP टेस्ट, ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होता है. दिस इज नोन ऑल्सो द Brady's reagent. क्लियर है? 2,4-dinitrophenyl hydrogen 1, 2,4-dinitrophenyl hydrogen 1. क्लियर है? और देखो यहाँ पे, you know about the Clemmensen reduction and the Wolff-Kishner reduction. What is the Wolff-Kishner reduction? What is Wolff-Kishner reduction? What is the purpose of the Wolff-Kishner reduction? See here, if you have RC double bond R dash is equals to R or H, it will be क्या NH2, right? And in the presence of क्या OH minus and the heat. So इसका पर्पस क्या होता है? It will remove the क्या double bond O1. So it will remove the क्या double bond O. So it will form क्या? It will form RCH2 R dash. Got it? That is the purpose of this one. Remember this NH2 OH minus, right? You have the OH minus here, right? And OH minus is the base one, right? So you have to use that carbonyl compound which does not have the base sensitive groups. Clear है? जैसे कि suppose ये reaction आपको करना है double bond O and the chlorine one, right? Understood? So you can see this chlorine is the क्या base sensitive group. So we cannot use this reagent. This is the base sensitive group. This is the base sensitive group one. So please avoid, in the Wolff-Kishner reduction, please avoid the compound containing the base sensitive groups. If it is acid sensitive group, that is fine. तो Cl लगा हुआ हो, Br लगा हुआ हो और ऐसे को reduce करना है तो you cannot use NH2 and the OH minus 1. Not good for base sensitive groups. This is known as the Wolff-Kishner reduction. Wolff-Kishner reduction. Okay. This is basically your Wolff-Kishner reduction. Now coming to the Clemmensen one, right? What is the Clemmensen? Which one? No, it is not ethylene glycol. Ethylene glycol is this one, right? This is the ethylene glycol. ये ethylene glycol है, ये ethylene glycol है, not this one. ठीक है? इसको हम लोग बोलते हैं ethylene glycol. Ethylene glycol. Now ये बस इतना ध्यान रखना that इस टाइप का कंपाउंड में क्लोरीन हो तो इसको तो जैसे यूज को नहीं कर सकते. क्लियर है? Because this will be reduced, it is fine, but this is also being eliminated one. We don't want that one. Now coming to the Wolff is done. Now Clemmensen reduction you see. Now coming to the Clemmensen reduction. What is Clemmensen reduction? It is if you have RC double bond R dash is equals to anything alkyl group R or H, तो क्या होगा? Zinc HgHCl, it will form the क्या? RC double bond, it will form RCH2 R dash. It will form the RCH2 R dash. And see here, this is the acid one, right? So it is not good for the acid sensitive groups. So not good for acid sensitive groups, not good for acid sensitive groups like OH, इसके लिए अच्छा नहीं हो रहा. Now see your next one, you see. अब देखो, this is fine. ये बहुत important, not good for the acid sensitive groups. Clemmensen one. Not good for the acid sensitive groups. Not good for the acid sensitive groups. Now see here. देखो. Done. Now about the Tollens reagent की बात करते हैं, राइट? Tollens reagent. What is tolerance reagent? You know it is the ammonical silver solution of क्या ammonical silver solution, right? It is basically और क्या basic solution. ये basically क्या होता है तुम्हारा basic solution होता है. याद करना इस पे tolerance reagent कौन-कौन टेस्ट कौन-कौन देगा. tolerance positive tolerance test is given by what? Formic acid. It is the only acid which gives the positive tolerance test. ये बहुत बार पूछेगा. This one. This is a formic acid will only give the क्या positive tolerance test. Then about the क्या aldehydes will give the क्या positive tolerance test. Got it? Aldehydes will give the positive tolerance test. और क्या positive tolerance देगा. Oximes will also give the क्या positive tolerance. These three compounds, please remember these things. This is most important sometimes. Formic acid, aldehydes and the oximes. Oximes तो नहीं पूछेगा, but these two. Aldehydes and the formic acid. Got it? अब देखो. Now coming to the Fehling solution, right? Fehling solution की बात करते हैं, right? What about the Fehling solution? Fehling solutions will give the test only for the क्या aliphatic aldehydes. If it is the aromatic aldehydes, it will fail one, right? So this will give the positive tolerance test, positive Fehling test for positive test for the aliphatic aldehydes. For the aliphatic aldehyde. Remember these things. One is for the aliphatic aldehydes. Got it? It will not give the aromatic aldehyde test. It means that benzaldehyde will fail to give the Fehling's test one. ये important है. Got it? चलिए फिर आगे बढ़ते हैं. Now physical properties of the aldehydes and the ketones. Now see the physical properties of aldehyde. Now the physical properties of the aldehydes and the ketones. See here. देखो physical properties of aldehydes and ketones use. See here, if we look at this aldehyde and ketone, right? So this look like this one, RC double bond R dash for the ketone, and for the aldehyde this is, and this is for the ketone, this will be RC double bond R dash. Clear? Now if I am comparing with the alcohol one, right? Alcohol has more extensive hydrogen bonding, and but this will have no उसके रिलेटिव में हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग यहाँ पर क्या होगा, कम होगा. क्लियर? दैट्स वाई इट हैज़ लेसर सॉल्युबिलिटी कंपेयर्ड टू क्या अल्कोहल. इट विल हैव द लेसर सॉल्युबिलिटी कंपेयर्ड टू alcohols. Got it? Because of the less hydrogen bonding possible in these cases. Got it? तो अब देखो, as the size of R increases, the hydrophobic part is getting increased, right? Hydrophobic part means that which is water repelling one. As the size of the R increases, the interaction with the water will decrease. So the solubility will decrease with the higher aldehydes and the क्या ketone one. So it means that only the lower aldehydes and the ketone will be soluble in the water. So I can say that the lower aldehydes and ketones soluble in water. Got it? Understood? Now what is the formalin? What is formalin? It is a 40% aqueous solution of formaldehyde. What is the use of formalin? It is used to preserve. अरे वो लैब बायो लैब में नहीं देखे थे पहले, यू हैव टू स्नेक्स रहते थे, तो दैट इज अ फॉर्मेलिन सॉल्यूशन. गॉट इट? सो यू हैव टू प्रिजर्व फॉर द लॉन्ग पीरियड ऑफ टाइम, यू हैव टू यूज द क्या फॉर्मेलिन. क्लियर है? अभी बहुत ज़्यादा फॉर्मेलिन का यूज़ हो जाता है, डेयरी प्रोडक्ट्स में यूज़ कर लेते हैं, बिकॉज फॉर्मेलिन इज यूज टू प्रोटेक्ट द सब्सटेंस, राइट? तो समटाइम्स दिस सम कंपनीज यूज टू, मतलब लोकल वो फॉर्मेलिन यूज़ करके पनीर को प्रिजर्व कर लेते हैं बहुत दिन. However, formalin is not good for your health. गॉट इट. अब देखो, नाउ कमिंग टू द कीटोन्स वन. नाउ preparation and the properties of the ketones one. So see here, preparation of the ketones, preparation of ketones. देखो यहाँ पर, see first one will be ozonolysis one. First one will be क्या, ozonolysis. For example, if you have RCH double bond CH and the R dash one, right? If you do the reductive ozonolysis, if you do the reductive ozonolysis, यहाँ पर देखो ऐसा कर लो, आर सी डबल बॉन्ड सी आर डैश, इधर भी क्या आ जाएगा तुम्हारा आर, इधर भी तुम्हारा आर डैश. नाउ यू आर डूइंग द क्या, रिडक्टिव ओजोनोलिसिस. तो व्हाट विल फॉर्म, दिस डबल बॉन्ड ओ इधर, दिस डबल बॉन्ड ओ हियर, सो इट विल फॉर्म द क्या, आर सी डबल बॉन्ड ओ आर डैश. गॉट इट. सो वी कैन सिंथेसाइज कीटोन बाय यूजिंग द क्या, रिडक्टिव ओजोनोलिसिस वन. Now see here, second one. See, 1 degree alcohol is oxidized to the 1 degree alcohol is being oxidized to the aldehyde one. Therefore, 2 degree alcohol will be oxidized to क्या, ketone one. So if you have the 2 degree alcohol, if you have the 2 degree alcohol, then it will be oxidized. For example, PCC or PDC. So it will form the क्या, RC double bond O R dash. RC double bond O R dash. Got it? Now और देखो, this is done. हो गया. अब देखो यहाँ पर, one you know about the acylation reaction, right? Friedel-Crafts acylation, you see. So preparation of ketones, I am talking about the preparation of ketone. Friedel-Crafts acylation, Friedel-Crafts acylation one. So see here, what are the reagents used for the Friedel-Crafts acylation one? See, if you have the benzene ring, and you have CH3 C double bond OCl, right? And the Lewis acid, let it be AlCl3. So in this case, the electrophile generated will be CH3 C double bond O plus 1. It will be generated CH3 CO plus. Got it? This is your क्या, electrophile one. Now what will happen, this benzene will attack at this position to form the compound क्या, C double bond O. Got it? To form the compounds. This is known as the Friedel-Crafts acylation group. This is the acyl group. So this is known as the क्या, Friedel-Crafts acylation. Got it? Friedel-Crafts acylation. और एक देखो, next you see, this is example of electrophilic aromatic substitution. Now see here, अब देखो, suppose you have the salt, calcium salt of the carboxylic acid, right? Calcium salt of the carboxylic acid, RC double bond O minus. You have the calcium 2 plus, you have the O minus, you have the C double bond O, and you have the क्या, R1. This is the calcium salt of the carboxylic acid. Now if you heat it, right? जैसे इसको आपने हीट किया, then calcium carbonate will be eliminated. If you heat it, calcium carbonate will be eliminated. तो देखो क्या होगा, this is calcium, okay? तो क्या होगा, CaCO3, right? Then CaCO3 will be eliminated. Clear? Minus calcium carbonate. अब क्या बच गया तुम्हारा, RC double bond R, and R will be क्या, joined together to form the क्या, ketone one. So it will be joined to form the RC double bond R1. Got it? If we heat the calcium salt of carboxylic acid, calcium carbonate will be eliminated and it will form the क्या, कीटोन 1. दैट डिपेंड्स ऑन द ग्रुप ऑल्सो. इफ इट इज H1 तो क्या बन जाता तुम्हारा, एल्डिहाइड बन जा रहा होता. गॉट इट. सिंस हियर इट इज R1 इट विल फॉर्म द क्या, कीटोन. दैट डिपेंड्स व्हाट एसिड यू हैव टेकन. गॉट इट. नेक्स्ट अब देखो यहाँ पर, नाउ कमिंग टू द बेयर विल, ये तो हो गया आप लोग का. दिस आर द प्रिपरेशन ऑफ द क्या, कीटोन्स. नाउ द केमिकल रिएक्शंस ऑफ द कीटोन, केमिकल रिएक्शंस ऑफ द कीटोन, केमिकल रिएक्शंस of ketones, chemical reactions. See here, we already discussed about the Grignard reagent, right? If it is a Grignard reagent and if it is attacking the aldehyde or the ketone, it will form the alcohol one. If it is the aldehyde and the Grignard reagent is attacking, it will form the primary it will form the alcohol also. See here, for example, if you have RC double bond O CH3 one, right? Got it. Now you are attacking with the CH3 MgX MgBr. This is a Grignard reagent followed by workup. This is H3O plus. तो क्या प्रोडक्ट बनता था आपका, you know? So this will attack here and this will go up. So it will form RCOH CH3 and the क्या, CH3 one. So it will form RCOH CH3 and the CH3. So aldehyde ketone will react with the Grignard reagent to form the alcohols, to form the क्या, alcohol one. Now coming to the Baeyer-Villiger oxidation. Now coming to the Baeyer-Villiger oxidation. देखो यहाँ पर क्या होता है, what do you mean by the Baeyer-Villiger oxidation? Baeyer-Villiger oxidation. Baeyer-Villiger oxidation का मतलब ये होता है, you have to use a peroxide, let it be CF3 C double bond OO and the H1. Is it is a peroxide one because it has got the क्या, oxygen and the oxygen linkage one. Clear है? And this is basically highly unstable one. तो क्या होगा, एक ऑक्सीजन क्या लगेगा, इसके बीच में चला जाएगा. So it will form the RC double bond O and the क्या, CH3. Got it? Basically O will be inserted between the CO and the CH3 bond. Remember, O will be inserted to that side which has the more electron density one. If दोनों आदि सिमेट्रिक हो तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. If someone is if the compound is unsymmetric, then O will be inserted to that side which have more electron density one. Got it? O will be inserted to that side which has the क्या, more electron density one. अब देखो, we already discussed about the tolerance reagent, right? Does ketone will give the tolerance test? क्या ketone tolerance test दे देगा तुम्हारा? It is given by the क्या, aldehydes only, right? Fehling test? No, right? It is Fehling test is only for the क्या, aliphatic aldehydes. Got it? Now, if you do the Clemmensen reduction, what will happen? C double bond O form the क्या, RCH2 CH3. If it is Wolff-Christian reduction, it will form the again RCH2 CH3. Got it? Understood? Now अब देखो तुम, now coming to the carboxylic acid, right? Now coming to the carboxylic acid one. So see here, carboxylic acid you see, carboxylic acid, carboxylic acids. देखो यहाँ पर, first one you see, what is the preparation of the, see here, primary alcohol is oxidized to aldehyde, okay, and if it is a strong oxidizing agent, aldehyde will further oxidize to क्या, carboxylic acid one. So see here, if you have the primary alcohol RCH2OH, right, and it is a strong oxidizing agent, so it will first form the RCOH, again a strong oxidizing agent, so it will form the क्या, carboxylic one. What are the strong oxidizing agent? KMnO4H plus, K2Cr27H plus. Got it? तो hot KMnO4 ये सब क्या करेगा, strong oxidizing agent. They are the क्या, strong oxidizing agent one. अब देखो यहाँ पर, see here, suppose you have RMgX, right? You have the RMgX one. Now you are attacking with the CO2. ये मेडिकल में बहुत बार पूछते हैं, RMgX and the CO2 one. First step is the CO2, second step is the workup step, right? Now see what will happen. You know, this is R minus, right? And this is the plus one. If you look at the structure of CO2, the structure of CO2 is like this one, C double bond. यही तो है, this is CO2 one, right? Now what will happen here, that this R minus will attack here and it will go like this one. Got it? And this will go like this one, isn't it? Now what will happen? This RC double bond O and you have the क्या O minus one. Got it? See, H plus डाल रखा है ना, so this O negative will take the क्या H plus one. So basically it will form your क्या carboxylic acid one. Remember this one. ठीक है? और देखो यहाँ पर, this is done, fine. अब देखो, हो गया? See here, if you have RC triple bond N1, right? If you have RC triple bond N, right? That is the, now if you are doing the complete hydrolysis, H2 and the H plus, right? So it will again form the क्या carboxylic acid one. So it will form the carboxylic acid. Complete hydrolysis of RCN bond will form the carboxylic acid one. Similarly, if you have the amide one, RC double bond NH2, it will again form the क्या carboxylic one. This will again form the क्या carboxylic one. लिख लीजिए उसको, समझ में आ गया? Similarly, if you have RC double bond Cl, same डाल दो, it will form the क्या carboxylic acid. Got it? Derivatives of this one will form the carboxylic acid derivative will form the carboxylic acid one. अब कुछ reactions की बात कर लेते हैं. देखो, anhydride भी होगा तो क्या होगा? You have RC double bond O, C double bond O, R. Again, this is the क्या derivative of the carboxylic acid one. So again it will form the क्या carboxylic acid. So these are the hydrolysis reaction of the CN, amide, फिर acyl chloride, then you have the क्या anhydride one. Got it? This will all give the carboxylic acid one. Now see here. Now see the reactions of the carboxylic acid. Now the reactions of the carboxylic acid. See here. देखो. Reactions of the carboxylic acid. Reactions of carboxylic acid. Reactions of the carboxylic acid. देखो यहाँ पर. See, you know I was discussing about the sodium bicarbonate test, right? Does alcohol give the sodium bicarbonate test? No. Does phenol give the sodium bicarbonate test? Does phenol give the sodium bicarbonate test? No. Only the picric acid is basically giving the क्या sodium bicarbonate test. It means that compound which are highly acidic can give the sodium bicarbonate test. So, but carboxylic acid is also acidic one. It is more acidic compared to क्या phenol one. So it will give the positive sodium bicarbonate test. So it will undergo the acid base reaction. So it will undergo the acid base reaction to form the RC double bond O Na plus, and it will liberate क्या H2O plus CO2. CO2 has a brisk effervescence. CO2 has a brisk effervescence one. Clear है? और देखो, this is the sodium bicarbonate test. Sodium bicarbonate test. Now second one you see. Second one you see. If you have the carboxylic acid, right? और यहाँ पर क्या डाल दिया? PCl5 डाल दिया. It will form the क्या? RC double bond O Cl. Remember this one. This will form the क्या? RC double bond O Cl. Whether it is PCl5 or whether it is क्या? PCl3. PCl5 या फिर क्या रहेगा? PCl3 रहेगा. अब देखिए यहाँ पर. Second one you see. NH3, right? Okay. NH3 is a base one. NH3 is a base one. Whereas this one is basically और क्या? Acid one. Clear है? So it will undergo the acid base reaction. It will undergo the acid base reaction. To form what? RC double bond O minus NH4 plus. Clear है? जैसे ही हीट करोगे again it will form the क्या? RC double bond O NH2. मेडिकल में ऐसा ही क्वेश्चन गया था, बच्चे कंफ्यूज हो गए थे. व्हाट दे डिड, they simply did carboxylic acid and amide to form the carboxylic acid and amine to form the amide one. But first step is the kya, this will be the step, then again after heating it will form the kya, amide one. Clear? वहाँ पर लोग गलती किए थे. So this will be your second product. First is the acid base reaction product. Got it? आगे बढ़ो. Now you know about the Hell-Vollard-Zelinsky reaction. What is HVZ reaction? क्या होता है? What is HVZ reaction? बोलो. Hell-Vollard-Zelinsky. Hell-Vollard-Zelinsky reaction. Hell-Vollard-Zelinsky reaction, right? Hell-Vollard-Zelinsky reaction one. देखो यहाँ पर क्या होता है? See here. If you have RCH2 and the carboxylic acid, right? Clear है? Now you are adding the क्या, Br2 red phosphorus, or you can adding the X2 red phosphorus. So with respect to carboxylic acid, this is the alpha position, right? And you have the alpha hydrogen. So this alpha hydrogen will be eliminated to form क्या, RCH, and you will have the Cl, and again you will have the क्या, carboxylic one. Got it? So this is important here, ये याद रखना. If you have the alpha hydrogen, that will be replaced by the क्या, chlorine one. This is Hell-Vollard-Zelinsky reaction. This is Hell-Vollard-Zelinsky reaction. You know about the soda lime decarboxylation? You know about soda lime decarboxylation? हाँ. क्या क्या? हाँ, Br2. क्लोरीन लिख दिया क्या मैंने? सॉरी. ब्रोमीन, ठीक है. This will be chlorine, bromine one, okay? If I am using the Br2 red phosphorus, that will be क्या, bromine one. That will be your क्या, bromine one. Do you know about the soda lime decarboxylation? What is soda lime decarboxylation? Soda lime decarboxylation means removal of the carbon dioxide. So what are the reagents? The reagents is क्या था तुम्हारा? Suppose you have carboxylic acid, RC double bond OH, okay? Now you are using the NOH plus calcium hydroxide and the heat one, right? It is a soda lime decarboxylation. This is basically fourth one, soda lime decarboxylation. This is soda lime decarboxylation. So you have to remove the CO2, right? If you remove the CO2, it will form the क्या, alkane one. It will form just the क्या, alkane one. Clear है? लिख लीजिए इसको, लिखो. Done? अब देखो, how to reduce the carboxylic acid? Which reagent can be used to reduce the carboxylic acid? It is the BH3THF. If you are using the BH3THF, that can reduce the carboxylic acid to the alcohol. Got it? If you are using the BH3THF, fifth one, if you have RCOH and you are using the BH3THF, this will be reduced to form क्या, RCH2OH. This will reduce to form the RCH2OH. Got it? These are the reactions of the क्या, carboxylic acid. और देखो, yesterday I discussed about the haloform. No, see haloform देखो यहाँ पर. Haloform is a very important reaction. See here. This is fine. Done. देखो, suppose you have haloform reaction, right? Haloform test. Haloform, you know, it is CHX3, right? Haloform test means it will CHX3. Got it? Now, it is iodoform. CHI3 is basically or क्या, iodoform one. It is the precipitate one, pale yellow precipitate. Yellow precipitate is this. Got it? This is basically the pale yellow precipitate one. Now see here, in the haloform test, if you have the group like this, OHCH3, okay, or or you have R double bond OCS3. Clear? And you are adding the reagent like X2 and the OH minus, X2 and the NOH. या फिर इसको कैसे लिखते हैं हम लोग, कैल्शियम क्लोराइड डाल दो या फिर क्या डाल दो, you just write OX minus. So this will give you the same, means X2NOH means haloform test, OX minus also means the haloform reagents. ठीक है, इसका सबका मतलब एक ही होगा. So it will give you R double bond O minus Na plus plus CHX31. Got it? This is the haloform test one. So this will be given by these compounds only, having these things, ROH CH3 and R double bond O CH3. Got it? ये याद रखना. This is the haloform. This is very important test. This haloform test is very important. Haloform test. अब देखो यहाँ पर. Now the physical properties of carboxylic acid, right? Physical properties of carboxylic acid. Physical properties of carboxylic acids. When you see here, what are the physical properties? If you look at the structure, it is RC double bond OH1, right? So it is highly polar one and will have the extensive hydrogen bonding with the water one, right? So it will be highly soluble in water. For example, vinegar देखे होगे, vinegar is highly soluble in क्या, water one, because of this polar side, and it has got extensive hydrogen bonding with the क्या, water one. Got it? Clear है? So it means that if I put it in the water, it will be ionized as क्या, RC double bond O minus plus H plus. Got it? Acid one, right? So acid will be ionized as this one. Clear है? वो जैसे polar solvent डालोगे like water, it will be dissociated into H plus and the carboxylate ion one. Now coming to the second point, if carboxylic acid is put it in the benzene solvent, right? Clear है? If it is put in the benzene solvent, then it will be dimerized one. So in the benzene solvent, this will be क्या, form the dimer one. It will form the क्या, dimer one. You have studied this in the solution chapter, like benzoic acid get dimerized in benzene one. If it is solvent is the benzene, it will be क्या, dimerized one. Clear है आप लोग को? Now coming to the acidity order, right? Coming to the क्या, acidity order. Which is the most acidic one? Carboxylic acid. Got it? Then followed by the क्या, phenol one. Then followed by the क्या, water. बाकी तो आपको जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी. हाँ वो अल्कोहल आ जाएगा, वो थोड़ा चेंजेस होता है. Now coming to the questions one, right? Now the previous KCET you see one, previous KCETs, previous KCETs. Question number 1. The compound obtained when acetaldehyde reacts with the dilute aqueous sodium hydroxide. You know the structure of the acetaldehyde? क्या होगा? It will undergo aldol reaction, right? Acetaldehyde dilutes base, think of aldol reaction. Got it? So structure of acetaldehyde is CH3C double bond H1, right? CH3C double bond OH1. Got it? Now what will happen? You have the aqueous base. तो क्या होगा? Since you have the aqueous base, what is the first step? First step will be क्या? Formation of CH2 minus and this one, right? Got it? What is the second step? It will be CH3C double bond H1. इस पे अटैक करेगा, right? तो it will form the क्या? It will form CH3COH, H, CH2 and the देखो तो यहाँ कोई कैरल सेंटर दिख रहा है क्या? कैन यू एबल टू सी एनी कैरल सेंटर हियर? नो. व्हाट इज कैरल सेंटर? Carbon connected with the 4 different groups, right? Don't you able to see the chiral center here? So if it is only one chiral center, it means that it can show the optical isomerism. Got it? So it will follow the kya? Anyone is telling, I think someone is telling geometrical isomerism. See, geometrical isomerism will be also true if it is the heat is given, right? You are all, जैसे किसी क्वेश्चन पे हीट दे देता है, ठीक है? Suppose heat is also given, right? Once the heat is given, the product will be kya? CH3CH double bond CH C double bond H1, right? Now see here, this has got the double bond, right? Now it can show the kya? Geometrical isomerism. So see, if the question has mentioned the heat one, then it will show the geometrical isomerism. If the question has not mentioned the heat, just form only the aldol product one. Heat means kya? Aldol condensation one. So this is your basically aldol product. This is your basically aldol product one, and this is your basically aldol. This is one basically aldol condensation product. Aldol condensation product one. Got it? Understood this point? Now coming to the second one, right? Cannizzaro reaction. What is the first step? It is the attack of the nucleophile. What is the second step? Transfer of hydride ion. Clear है कि नहीं? उसके बाद क्या था तुम्हारा? तो कौन सा ऑप्शन हो गया? फर्स्ट ऑप्शन, राइट? एंड द लास्ट स्टेप इज क्या? H plus intramolecular proton transfer. I have told you the mechanism one, इसलिए mechanism बताया था आप लोग को. Because aldol they ask mechanism, and also sometimes they also ask the mechanism of क्या? Cannizzaro one. Got it? Now got it? All of you guys got it? Question number 2 का one. If you look at the mechanism, first step is the addition of the OH minus, right? That is the nucleophile one. Second step is your क्या? Hydride shift. Third step is your क्या? H plus 1 transfer. Now question number 3. Benzaldehyde and acetone can be best distinguished by? Obviously क्या हो जाएगा? Tolerance test के through हो जाएगा कि नहीं हो जाएगा? Aldehyde is gives you positive tolerance test, right? Whereas ketone does not give the क्या? Positive tolerance test. So which option then? Tolerance reagent, right? Question number 4. Question number 4. See here. देखो क्या होगा? Formic acid is stronger than the acetic acid, right? Which effect? See here, what happened here? You have the formic acid, right? And you have the ethanoic acid, right? Acidity increases if electron withdrawing groups increases, and it is a plus I one, right? Plus I will decrease the acidic strength. So which factor then? I effect, right? The formic acid is stronger acid than acetic acid because this can be explained by using plus I effect. Because CH3 is giving you kya? Plus I. Got it? Plus I means acidic strength kya? Decreases. Acidic strength it decreases. Now coming to the 5th question. The reagent with which both acetaldehyde and acetone react. Tolerance. अरे कैसे? Acetone does not give the tolerance test. Failing? No. Iodoform you see, right? If you draw the structure of the acetaldehyde and the acetone, right? See here. This is structure of CH3 C double bond. This is acetaldehyde, right? What is the structure of the acetone? The structure of the acetone is what? CH3 C double bond O CH3, right? तो देखो यहाँ पर you have this one, right? What is the under one? This group, right? And you have the क्या? This group. These groups basically gives the क्या? Positive iodoform test one. So both will give the positive test one for the iodoform one. Now question number 6(1). Which of the following gives an aldehyde on dry distillation? You know, अभी कराया था ना, कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट एलिमिनेट हो जा रहा था. Okay, now do that question. Calcium formate plus which will give the aldehyde one? Calcium formate and the calcium acetate one. Because if it is calcium acetate and the calcium benzoate, this will give the ketone one. तो देखो इसको, see here, this is, ये कौन सा क्वेश्चन था? This is 5(1), right? Now question number 6. Now the question number 6, see here, calcium formate structure you see, H C double bond O, calcium 2 plus, got it? Then you have the क्या? Acetate ion, O minus, C double bond O, and the CS3 one, right? Dry distillation means heating one. Distillation means you are heating this compound, right? If you are heating this compound, then this calcium carbonate will be eliminated, right? Got it? If this calcium carbonate will be eliminated to form the क्या? ये दोनों जुड़ जाएंगे to form CS3 C double bond H1. So the first option. Got it? So the first option one. और देखो, oil of wintergreen. Oil of wintergreen. See, the formula for the oil of the wintergreen is this one. OH, C double bond O, CS3 one. So this is the ester one, right? Got it? So which option then? Ester. This is the oil of wintergreen one. Question number 8. Question number 8. Burns with a sooty flame, right? Which hydrocarbons burns with a sooty flame? Carbon containing unsaturated pi bonds. जितना pi bond होगा, that will have more sooty flame, right? That's why methanol does not have the sooty, methane does not have the sooty flame. But if you take the higher alkanes, unsaturated alkanes, that will unsaturated alkenes will give you क्या? Sooty flames one. तो देखो यहाँ पर क्या दे रखा है? Bosch reagent is a Brady's reagent. This Bosch's reagent is basically your Brady's reagent. That is the 2,4-DNP one, right? Then कौन सा option हो जाएगा? It is negative towards the tolerance reagent. Which one? Acetophenone one, right? Acetophenone is negative towards the क्या? Ketone does not give the tolerance test, right? However, ketones can give the क्या? 2,4-DNP test. 2,4-DNP, that is the Brady's test one. Got it? So which option? Acetophenone one. Question number 9. Question number 9. पूछो पूछो. Question number 9. See here. क्या होगा? Question number 9 you see. Formaldehyde was treated with the reagent X. The product formed upon hydrolysis in the presence of acid give alcohol 1. तो कौन सा हो जाएगा? Cannizzaro, right? It is a Cannizzaro reaction 1. See, in Cannizzaro reaction what you are forming? You are forming the salt of acid plus alcohol 1, right? So if you have the HCHO, right, you have the formaldehyde. If you look at the structure of the formaldehyde, it does not have any alpha hydrogen. It does not have the any alpha hydrogen. So it will form the क्या? So it will form salt of this one plus क्या? Aqueous KOH है ना? अच्छा C2H5OH दे रहा है क्या? अच्छा ये तो फिर ये दे देगा. नहीं देखो यहाँ पर see here, you have HC double bond H1. Got it? It is forming the product formed in the presence of an acid gave the product formed upon hydrolysis in the presence of an acid gave C2H5OH. The reagent X is what one? देखो यदि तुम OH माइनस डालोगे तो प्रोडक्ट तुम्हारा क्या बनेगा? इट विल फॉर्म द HC डबल बॉन्ड O माइनस Na प्लस प्लस इट विल फॉर्म द क्या HCH2OH1. फिर देखो इफ यू हैव द अल्कोहलिक KCN, ये भी नहीं बनेगा. इफ यू हैव द अल्कोहलिक KOH, दैट इज ऑल्सो नॉट फॉर्म. देन यू हैव द CH3MgUC, HC डबल बॉन्ड H1, है ना. It will form CH3MgI. It is a Grignard reagent, right? So it will attack to form क्या HCOH, here CH3 and the क्या H1. So the option will be क्या fourth one, right? They are, because these are forming CH3 CH2OH. If it is forming the क्या methanol, then that will be your क्या Cannizzaro reaction. But in this case they are forming the C2H5OH, that is only possible with the Grignard reagent. Got it? दो क्वेश्चन में कैसे किया जाता, since you have formaldehyde, right? Now there is one addition of the carbon. If there is one addition of the carbon means CH3MgI has to come, तभी तो addition होगा कार्बन का. Now देखो यहाँ पर क्वेश्चन नंबर 10th one. Question number 10th. Why fourth option? Orthotolvic acid is the ortho effect, right? See here. देखो question number 10 you see, if you have, it is a orthotolvic acid, this is your benzoic acid, and then you have the para one, then you have the kya para one, right? Got it? Now see here, this will have the steric inhibition of resonance. Got it? SIR effect, steric inhibition of resonance. So this is known as the ortho effect. If any group is present at ortho position with respect to the carboxylic group, acidic strength increases, whether it is the electron withdrawing group or whether it is the electron donating group. So which is the most acidic? See here, this CH3 is present at ortho with respect to this one, right? So which will be, it will be the most acidic one. तो ये क्या हो जाएगा, most acidic one. Got it? Now coming to this one, right? This CH3 is basically giving you the plus I, right? As plus I increases, acidic strength decreases. As plus I increases, acidic strength decreases. Acidic strength decreases. So which option then? Like this. Got it? Now 11. Formic acid is heated with the concentrated H2O, so the gas evolved is CO plus H2O. If formic acid is heated, it will form the carbon monoxide plus the H2O. Then which option? Second option. ठीक है? If you heating the oxalic acid, it will form the क्या CO plus CO2 also. If you are heating the oxalic acid, it will form the CO plus CO2 also. Now coming to the next question. Reagent used to distinguish between the acetaldehyde and the benzaldehyde. कौन सा? Acetaldehyde and the Fehling's one, right? Acetaldehyde will give the Fehling's test. Benzaldehyde will not give the Fehling's test because benzaldehyde is क्या? Aromatic compound. That will be not reduced by Fehling's. Got it? Question number 13. Question number 13. क्या होगा? 13(1). Given by accept what? बोलो. सी इसको मैं बता देता हूँ. क्वेश्चन नंबर 13 यू सी. क्वेश्चन 13, CH3 COH H obviously this will give, right, है ना, this will give your positive iodoform test. Got it? ऐसे ही बता रखा था ना, इस टाइप का कंपाउंड क्या करेंगे तुम्हारे, इट विल गिव योर पॉजिटिव आयोडोफॉर्म टेस्ट वन. सेकेंड यू सी CH3 C double bond H, again this group, this will give the positive iodoform test one. Third you see again this will give you the क्या, positive iodoform test one. Got it? Now coming to the fourth one, देख रहे हो ना यहां पर CH3 नहीं. Got it? So this will not give you क्या, positive iodoform test. Got it? Last option there. Question number 14. Question number 14. 14(1). First step is क्या, acid base reaction, heat, so it will form amide one. देखो मैं बता दे रहा हूँ, ये अमीन्स का कुछ क्वेश्चन आ गया, मैं बता रहा हूँ. देखो 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 देखिए क्वेश्चन नंबर 14 यू सी, you have the carboxylic one, you have NH3 heat one, so it will form क्या, C double bond O NH2, right? Clear? Now second step it is NaOBr, या फिर इसको वैसे लिखता Br2 और NaOH लिख देता. This is Hofmann bromamide degradation reaction, right? This is Hofmann bromamide degradation. इसमें क्या होता है आपको पता होगा, it will form this compound, right? है ना, one carbon has been reduced to form amines one. They will form the क्या, primary amines. So it will form NH2. Got it? Now what is the next step? Kong H2SO4 क्या करेगा, it will sulfonation, right? Kong H2SO4 is the sulfonation. Major product will be the para one. So if you do the sulfonation, you have the Kong H2SO4. Second one, it is your कितना है, 460 Kelvin. So it will form NH2 SO3 H. Got it? NH2 SO3 H2. Which option then? Acid है ये. Third option, sulfonalic acid. Got it? This is क्या, sulfonalic acid. Third option. Question number 15. Question number 15. Question 15 you do. See, Hell-Vollard-Jelenski, acetic acid, acid के लिए reaction था. So Hell-Vollard-Jelenski HVZ reaction. So one का C, right? Got it? Sodium phenate is basically sodium phenoxide, Kolbe. 2 का D, 2 का D1. Then methyl cyanide, Stephens reduction, Stephens reaction. Third A. Fourth क्या आ जाएगा? Friedel-Crafts reaction. Got it? Which option? Fourth one. Question number 16. Question 16. क्या होगा? Acidic strength they are asking, right? First one, then first option or first one, what you are telling? देखो स्ट्रक्चर मैं बताता हूँ. See here. First option is CH3 C double bond O, CH2 O, C2H5. Second, CH3 C double bond O, CH2 C double bond O, CH3. Third one, C2H5. See here. So these are the structure of these three ones. Now coming to the acidic strength, right? ठीक है, देखो. What is active methylene group? See, what is active methylene group? Active methylene group is basically this one. Got it? Means next to CH2 you have two electron withdrawing groups. One. Next to CH2 you have two electron withdrawing groups. Got it? Now which is the most acidic one? Ester basically decreases the acidic strength one. Ester basically decreases the acidic strength one. So you have two esters here, right? So this will be the least acidic. Which is the most acidic then? First one. So 1 followed by 2 followed by 2 has only kya? No esters. It has got kya? 1 ester one. So 2 then 1 then kya? Third one. Which option then? Third option. Question number 17. Question number 17. एक चीज मैं बता, इटार्ड रिएक्शन के बारे में थोड़ा बता देता हूँ. See here, Itard reaction means you have CH3, you have CrO2, Cl2, then again you have the H plus. It will form the kya? Benzaldehyde. This is known as the Itard reaction. This is Itard reaction. Now tell me. Reductive ozonolysis they have mentioned. Option 2, 1. How? Ozonolysis will give you what? What? Aldehyde. What aldehyde? Benzaldehyde and formaldehyde. Then after that, what do you do? Why can you obtain with the Itard reaction? That is fine. Z undergoes dissociation reaction with the concentrated alkali. Which reaction? Cannizzaro reaction. Got it? So see here. Got this one? Question number 17 you see. If I am taking this one, reductive ozonolysis O3Zn1, then it will form plus Hc double bond H1. Got it? Now what will happen? Y can be obtained by the Itard reaction, right? Obviously this can be obtained by the Itard reaction. And this one will undergo disproportionation. Disproportionation means Cannizzaro they are talking about, right? So कौन सा ऑप्शन हो जाएगा तुम्हारा? यही हो जाएगा. Which option? Option 2. Question number 18. Question number 18. One. See here. CH2 double bond CH. You have O, CH2 and the CH3, right? कल ही कराया था HI से रिएक्शन के साथ. क्या बनेगा? First it will form the salt one. तो CH2, CH you have CH2 and the CH3 and you have O plus and the H1, right? Understood? Now what will happen? I minus is there, right? So I minus can attack here or it can attack here, right? See, it cannot attack the double bond. So this is not going to happen. So the probability of this will be there, right? So the product form will be CH2 CHOH plus CH2 CH3I. Got it? है ना? Now it will undergo tautomerization to form क्या? CH3 C double bond O H. So which option? Fourth one, right? कौन सा ऑप्शन है? फोर्थ नहीं, हाँ फोर्थ, इथेनॉल. ठीक है. Question number 19. Question number 19. Acetophenone cannot be prepared easily. Starting from बेंजीन से क्या ही प्रिपेयर कर सकते हो? बेंजीन से कर सकते हैं, right? From the acylation one, right? 2 you cannot prepare, right? From the 2 toluene, very difficult to prepare. Third we can also do, first we can also do, second we cannot prepare. Okay, from toluene it is very difficult to prepare acetophenone. Understood? Okay, question number 20. It is a nucleophilic addition. Hexane is getting attacked, that is a kya? Nucleophilic addition reaction 1. 21. Butan 1 all. कौन सा ऑप्शन है ब्यूटान 12 है तो दिख ही नहीं रहा. ओ प्रोपान 1 all you are telling. Which option? Fourth one? See here. Propan 1 all you see, it is CH3 CH2 OH, right? है ना? So this will cannot give the क्या? देखो यहाँ पर, the structure will be like this one, OH, H and the H, and it does not have any methyl group, right? So it will not give the iodoform test. Got it? Now question number 22. Question 22. Acetic acid is treated with the calcium hydroxide. What is the product then? Acetic acid is prepared with this one. What will be the product? See here, means that calcium hydroxide आ रहा है ना, you know that acid will react with the calcium hydroxide to form the salt, calcium salt, right? So calcium salt will be, कुछ कौन सा क्वेश्चन है, क्वेश्चन नंबर 22, क्वेश्चन नंबर 22, right? Acetic acid salt, it will be so what will happen? Got it? COCO3 will be eliminated. Got it? Which option then? Methanoic and the ethanoic. 22nd का कौन सा ऑप्शन हो जाएगा? प्रोपानॉन, राइट? गॉट इट? प्रोपानॉन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 23. क्वेश्चन 23. यस. Methanoic and the ethanoic. Tolerance test. Obviously, methanoic will give the tolerance. It is the only acid which will give the tolerance test. Remember this thing. Okay? 24. (24)(1). Benzene carbon. The structure of the benzene carbonaldehyde is this one. This is the benzene carbonaldehyde. This is the benzene carbonaldehyde. Which option? Sodium benzoate and the cresol one. How? Why not second? Don't you think it will undergo Cannizzaro? Concentrated NaOH, Cannizzaro. So, conc OH minus it will give you C double bond O minus Na plus plus क्या? CH2 OH1, right? And this is the phenyl methanol. This is the phenyl methanol. This is the sodium benzoate one. The second option. Okay? Question 25. Question 25. 25(1). Didn't get it? देखो, first step you know, right? It will form the first step will be 25 CS3 COH PCl5. It will form CS3 C double bond OCl, right? Got it? Fine. Now you can have acylation, right? You have the benzene, no? You have the benzene plus AlCl3. It will undergo Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. So it will form क्या? This compound. क्या है ये? Again फिर से CH3 MgBr, then Grignard. तो क्या बन जाएगा? CH3 and the क्या? OH1. Which option then? Which option? Option 4th. Got it? First step you clear, PCl5, Friedel-Crafts acylation, then the Grignard one. Okay, fine. 26. Formation of hydrogen bonds with the water. Reduction of ketones. Reduction of ketones. First one, see, Rosenman reduction is only valid for the क्या COCl to CHO. Clear है? Further वो कीटोन को reduce नहीं कर पाता. Got it? 28. 28. One. You guys, book is there, right? Marking it? Understanding it? No. 28. अरे अभी तो पढ़ा 12th अभी जस्ट खत्म हुआ है ना. March you have given the exam, right? You haven't remembered anything? Forgot all these things? Forgot all class 12? First step it will be क्या CH3C and then hydrolysis will give carboxylic acid, then allyl-H4, CH3CH2 OH. So which option? Ethyl alcohol. Canizero 29. 29. कौन सा हो जाएगा? नहीं नहीं ये दिस इज रॉन्ग. और नॉट ओनली बाय, it is a reaction given by aromatic aldehyde also. That is true statement. ठीक है? Not only. Only is the incorrect one. देखो इसका आंसर बोनस जाएगा, चेक करो, बोनस होगा. What is the answer given? Bonus one, right? Because that is the wrong one, right? Not only one. However, aromatic aldehyde can give, that is true. But it is not the only aldehyde that will give the auto oxidation. Even the formaldehyde is a auto oxidation is also possible. तो यहाँ पर तो बेस्ट ऑप्शन तो 30 टिक करोगे फिलहाल के लिए. बट हाँ ये टोटली करेक्ट नहीं है. दिस इज नॉट टोटली करेक्ट. हाँ क्या? Why wrong? Auto oxidation, right? Cannizzaro reaction, na? It is example of a redox reaction. It is basically क्या? Oxidation and the reduction. ये ऑप्शन तो गलत ही है बहुत सारा. तो best option you have to take then the third one. However, this will be bonus given. Check करो. That will given as a bonus one, right? 30. 31. Question number 30 you see. Does not undergo haloform. Sorry, undergo. Sorry. First option. Got it? 31. 31 में कुछ मिस किया है लोग. देखो क्वेश्चन ऐसा होगा 31 का. See here, which is the best reagent for this one? OH is a acid sensitive group, right? So you cannot use the Clemmensen reduction. ठीक है? OH is a acid sensitive group, so you cannot use the Clemmensen. Then you have to use the क्या? Wolff-Kishner one. So which option then? कौन सा है Wolff-Kishner? Second option. Got it? OH is the acid sensitive group, so Wolff-Kishner will the answer. Got it? ठीक है. 32. It will be Benzyl, which reaction? Which reaction? What is the name of this reaction? Itard, right? That is the Itard reaction, okay? Which is the most suitable reagent for the following conversion? क्या बना रहा है? 33 one. You see the example 33. Huh? Iodoform, right? In iodoform NOH, one carbon is getting reduced one. Got it? So it is the iodoform one. हो गया फिर कुछ नीट PYQs कर लेते हैं, खत्म करेंगे इसको. नीट PYQs क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. नीट PYQs क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. Done. First step is SOCl2. It will form the क्या? COCl, right? So first step will be got it. That step is the last step is क्या Hoffman bromamide degradation reaction. Question 11. Question 11. Last question. Question 11. Question 11. Second option. It is which exam? Second option how? Third option, right? Canizero, right? So it will form the Canizero, salt of the carboxylic acid and the alcohol one. चलिए ठीक है, हो गया.